Hi, I'm Alex, and today I'm here to share with you the top 10 skills that you absolutely need to learn in 2024. Are you up for it? Let's divine. 1. Machine learning. This powerful tool is revolutionizing various industries, and it's essential for both professionals and beginners. By 2024, demand for skilled machine learning specialists will have soared. 2. Data scientist. With the growing importance of data in almost every industry, the demand for data scientists is also increasing. By 2024, this field will be even more in demand. 3. Virtual and augmented reality (VR) and AR. These technologies are quickly gaining popularity, and by 2024, many companies will prioritize VR and AR in their training programs. 4. Blockchain. As cryptocurrencies continue to gain popularity, the need for knowledge about blockchain technology will only increase. 5. Python. This versatile programming language is loved by many and will continue to be in high demand in the tech industry in 2024. 6. Cloud computing. As companies move their data and workloads to the cloud, the demand for cloud computing professionals will soar. 7. Digital communication. In today's fast-paced world, digital communication is essential. By 2024, experts in this area will be highly sought after. 8. Artificial intelligence (AI). While AI is already a massive trend, by 2024, we'll likely see even more advanced AI technologies emerge. 9. Cybersecurity. As companies and individuals keep more of their data on the cloud, the need for cybersecurity experts will continue to grow. 10. Project management. With many companies struggling to keep up with their projects, project management skills will become increasingly important in 2024. So there you have it, the top 10 skills to learn in 2024. Are you ready to master these skills and take your career to the next level? Let's get started.